Welcome to aminacademy.com. In strength of material regarding stress and strain, let us do some solving problem. Example, a rigid bar ABCD is hinged at A and supported in a horizontal position by two identical steel wires as shown in figure. A vertical rod of 40 kN is applied at B. Find tensile forces T1 and T2 included in these wires by the vertical load. Here, the steel wires are identical. Therefore, cross-sectional area is equal A1 equal A2, that is cross-sectional area of the steel wire 1 and 2. Similarly, Young's modulus of both are equal E1 equal E2 and length L1 is L2. Now, here let delta 1 and delta 2 are extension due to load in wire 1 and wire 2, and from the geometry of the figure, after loading, the rod is rigid, therefore there is no bend, and the similar triangle we are using, that is here delta 1 by 1.5 equal delta 2 by 3. Symmetry of the triangle, delta 1 by delta 2 equal 1 point AC over AD 1.5 over 3, which gives 2 delta 1 equal delta 2. Now we know that delta 1 extension in delta 1 is PL by AE. P means stress in wire 1, that is T1 by A1 into L1 by A. Then here E1, which is equal T1 L1 A1 E1. Similarly, delta 2 equal T2 L2 by A2 E2. Now we have relation 2 delta 1 equal delta 2, therefore we can apply that relation, which gives 2 T1 L1 A1 E1 equal T2 L2 A2 E2. The rods are identical, therefore A1 equal to A2, E1 equal to E2, then L1 equal to L2, which gives the relation 2 T1 equal T2. Means here, next taking moments about hinge at A. Here you are taking moments about hinge at A means here AC into T1, AD into T2 equal AB into 40. Therefore, taking moments about this one, T1 into 1.5 plus T2 into 3, 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3, which is equal 40 into 4.5. Divide throughout 1.5, we give T1 plus 2 T2 equal 1.5 divide means 3 into 40 is 140. 3 into 40 is 120. Now already we have relation to T1 equal to T2. Therefore, from that T1 is T2 by, or T2 can do T2 equal to T1. Therefore, T1 plus 2 into 2 T1 equal 120, which is equal 5 T1 equal to 120. T1 equal 120 divided by 5 is 24 kilonewton. T1 is 24 kilonewton and T2 equal 48 kilonewton. By using, therefore we got it. Find the tensile forces T1 and T2 included in this wires. We got it. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.